Hello guys again, and today I have here an IKEA lamp and I will install this RGB LED 5050 model 12 volt with this wireless adapter. You can control it from your smartphone outside or inside of your house. Let's take out this lamp. It will go around this RGB cable. And how I'm going to do that? And when you finish it, just take the scissor here. If you see it's not gluing very well, the cardboard, you can take this thermoglue, just waiting to hit. Till then, we are going to try to take out this. There's two plastic here with your screwdriver. Put it inside and it will pop out. Just like that. You can cut it, of course. It's a better way. Don't need it. Then I think you can take this out. And here it is. Well, you can glue that. Apply force, and we can put some glue here. Well, we have applied thermoglue. Install this inside. Okay, that is it. Good. And then I'm going to apply thermoglue around. Just like that. Now it's dry enough. It looks like that. And now the only thing that you have to do now and install the Wi-Fi controller. Here. And then power it. How to control this Wi-Fi controller from your smartphone? Right in the corner video how to install and set up this controller, and I will show you how it's working. Wow, it's very beautiful how the color are changing. As I said, right in the corner you can see my video how to set up this wireless controller. It will be very easy to do that. Don't worry. Thank you again guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my video, it's your choice. Hit the notification bell, more videos in the future are coming. and share this video. You never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.